In effort to promote inclusion for female entrepreneurs in Nigeria, business experts are calling for a concentrated push towards improving access to finance, breaking cultural barriers, and enhancing government support. This critical point were highlighted during the 2024 International Women's Day celebration organized by Int'l, a non-profit organization dedicated to empowering African female entrepreneurs. Participants emphasized the importance of unity among women, pooling resources, disseminating accurate information, and taking the lead in their businesses.
Because of the evident gender finance gap that exists between male-led businesses and women-led businesses, and in an attempt to contribute our own quota to close this gap, that's when Int'l was born, such that women entrepreneurs are able to be supported, have all the support they need, the 360 support they need, build scalable businesses, and also access institutional capital.
The majority of our businesses in Nigeria are at the nano and micro stage, and especially populated by women. The critical challenge is really scaling beyond the micro stage and moving to become small, medium, and even large enterprises. You hardly find very big businesses run by women in Nigeria.
In Nigeria and in the world, women are 50% of the population. So it's important that women are not only included in the economy, but that women have an active role in the economy. Women are drivers of the economy. I think the World Bank has a statistic that when women are included and empowered, the GDP will rise 20%. So it's definitely important.
Let's take a look at the global equities trading now. Shares market spotted today while the dollar looked vulnerable ahead of a reading on U.S. inflation data that could hasten or delay the start of global rate cut. MSCI's Products Index of Asia Pacific shares outside Japan easing by 0.16% after hitting an 8-month peak. Japan's Nikkei retreated 2.2%, having scored a succession of all-time highs last week. Chinese blue chips added 0.57%. S&P 500 futures eased by 0.05% and Nasdaq futures dipped 0.1%, having both run into profit-taking on Friday as artificial intelligence diva NVIDIA shared 5.6%. Eurostoxx 50 futures fell by 0.6% and FTSE futures dipped by 0.36%. And in the crude oil space now, China's consumer inflation rate turned positive for the first time in 6 months, largely supported by Lunar New Year holiday when a spending boom pushed up prices. According to the latest government data, consumer price index increased by 0.7% in February. This is the first time the index has shown prices rising rather than falling since August 2023. In January, the index fell by the fastest rate in 15 years. President and Chief Economist for Pinpoint Asset Management, Mr. Ziwei Zhang, says it is too early to conclude that a deflation in China is over. Domestic demand is still quite weak.